Yes, short videos and reels, such as those found on TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube, are extremely popular, especially among younger generations. While these formats are entertaining and engaging, they can have certain effects on the brain and cognitive development. There has been growing interest among researchers in understanding the potential impacts of this kind of media consumption, particularly for children. Effects on attention span and focus. Short videos and reels are designed to be fast-paced, highly stimulating, and addictive due to constant visual and auditory rewards, bright colors, quick edits, and sound effects. Studies suggest that consuming this type of content could have several effects on brain function. 1. Decreased attention span. The quick bursts of content train the brain to expect rapid gratification, which can lead to a decreased ability to focus on longer, more challenging tasks. This can make it difficult for children to concentrate on activities that require sustained attention, like reading or problem solving. A 2021 study published in Nature Communications found that increased exposure to short-form content can lead to shorter attention spans because of its highly stimulating nature. 2. Dopamine and reward pathways. Watching short, stimulating videos can activate the brain's reward system by releasing dopamine, which is the brain's pleasure neurotransmitter. Over time, this can cause children and adults to seek constant stimulation, potentially making other activities feel less rewarding or boring. Neuroscientists argue that this could have a long-term effect on how children process gratification and handle tasks that require patience or delayed rewards. Impact on IQ and analytical thinking. The impact of short videos on IQ or analytical thinking is less clear, but there are concerns. 1. Reduced critical thinking. The fast-paced nature of these videos offers little time for reflection, analysis, or deep thinking. Children's brains are still developing, and repeated exposure to content that discourages deeper thought might impair the development of critical thinking and analytical skills. Watching educational content in short formats might not have the same depth or long-term educational value as longer, more engaging learning experiences. A 2022 study conducted by the Journal of Adolescence found that while short-form educational content may improve factual recall in children, it does not necessarily improve critical thinking or problem-solving skills, which require more sustained engagement. 2. Decreased working memory. Short videos encourage multitasking, such as quickly switching between apps or videos. Multitasking, in turn, can overload the brain's working memory, leading to a decrease in the brain's ability to process and retain new information. Cognitive psychologists have observed that excessive consumption of this type of media could impair working memory, which is crucial for tasks like reasoning, comprehension, and learning. 3. Reduced cognitive flexibility. Some researchers have raised concerns that consuming fast, superficial content may reduce cognitive flexibility, the brain's ability to adapt to new, complex, or unexpected tasks. This could make it harder for children to handle challenging, real-world problems that require nuanced thinking and adaptation. Effects on younger children, ages 11 and below. For children around the age of 11, the impact might be more pronounced because their brains are still highly plastic and developing rapidly. This makes them more vulnerable to overstimulation in the habit-forming aspects of short videos. Attention and learning. Kids who frequently consume short-form media might struggle with attention in more traditional learning environments, where tasks require sustained focus and patience. Social and emotional development. The content on many platforms is not always designed with developmental appropriateness in mind. Exposure to certain types of content, like fast-paced, highly sensationalized media, can influence emotional regulation and social behaviors. Kids might also develop unrealistic expectations about real life, based on what they see in short videos. Scientific studies on the subject. Although research specifically on short-form videos like TikTok and Instagram Reels is relatively new, some related studies on screen time and media consumption provide insights. 1. Digital media and cognitive development. A study published in the journal Pediatrics in 2019 highlighted concerns about the effects of digital media on children's cognitive development. The study found that higher levels of screen time were associated with poorer developmental outcomes, including lower literacy and numeracy skills. 2. Social media and attention. A 2022 study published in JAMA Pediatrics found that teenagers who spent more time on platforms like TikTok reported lower attention spans and an increased likelihood of attention-related issues, such as ADHD-like symptoms. 3. Fast content and addiction. Research in the field of media psychology suggests that short-form content can be addictive, with some studies indicating that the constant, rapid delivery of new content triggers addiction-like behaviors in both adults and children. This is due to the way the brain's reward circuits react to novel stimuli, leading to compulsive content consumption. Conclusion. While short-form videos can be fun and engaging, they do appear to have certain effects on the brain, especially in younger children. Excessive consumption may affect attention span, working memory, and the development of critical thinking skills. For kids around the age of 11, this could potentially impair cognitive growth if not moderated. More research is still needed to understand the long-term effects fully, but existing studies suggest that parents and educators should be cautious about overexposure to this type of media. Balancing short-form media with other activities that promote deeper thinking and focus is key for healthy brain development.